it's 15th of December 2025. I'll be checking out the analysis on FX volume, be checking on Pain, be checking on Gain charts for today. So let's start with FX volume. I think Flip, we check out Flip too. So from FX volume 20, and in case you don't know the broker that actually make this available, there's a link in the description for you to create an account with them. And creating accounts with that link actually puts you in my algorithm, which gives you extra benefits. So let's mark out our recent high and recent low on days. Recent high, recent low, overall low is right and here. This is the overall low. So let's check the H1 to see if we can see a better structure. Okay, I think this is actually validated. Yeah, so this validated with this bearish move breaking below this. So definitely this actually give you a sign of the selling of this market or shorting, going short of this market. But let's go to a 15-minute chart to confirm this. Remember, please don't risk more than you can afford to lose. I say this almost often and often. Like nothing definitely guaranteed. I think we took some trade last week which actually went into favorable, though actually able to recover with some other trade. But then please don't risk more than you can afford to lose. The seller account should tell you where your stop loss is going to be. So please and please try not to risk more than you can afford to lose. Once you check the stop loss, it's too big for your account. I suggest that you do the lots or stay out of the markets. Definitely, you're going to get more from the trade. So now getting this already. So what you want to see is the market giving us the signs of this market. Already you can see some rejection here. Let's see if we can get a retest of this zone first. Then a bearish candle closing below that rejection. Then you can think of going shorts on this. So that's what I'm looking at on FX volume 20. So I want to see a retest of this or a market closing below this. From the my stop loss above this rejection. That's it. Let's go to Gain, but let's go to Pain first. Let's start with Pain 400. So here is Pain 400. Okay, so that means we'll be going to H4. Let's go to H4 to mark our zone. Okay, let me just zoom this a little so I can just see this clearly. Okay, so marking out the recent structures. I think I'll be seeing just a little bit still out of what's it called? Going long on this market until this particular zone gets broken. Let me go to H1 to confirm because this actually is a bearish market, but then at the same time, you might actually be seeing buy signals on the the lower time. But I think it's better just to stay out of this market on the bullish side, except you see opportunity to go short on this. And when I mean opportunity, I want to see this candle closing far below this, trying to go back, getting rejected, then giving me a sign to sell this market before you think of going long on that trade. So this is what I actually be expecting. So I want to see this closing below this, testing the showing side of full-time rejection. Then before I think of of going shorts on these markets. Okay, that said, I'm still very much bullish on PainX 400. So let's go to the next one, which is GainX 400. We have Pain, we have Gain. So you can see we have a lot of them, but then I just choose some. So you can maybe choose some other ones you feel you're comfortable with. And please, if you don't know the broker that actually makes it available, I'll drop the link in the description for you to check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Okay, so let's take this back to H4. I think I see some bullish movement already to the next high. Okay, recent low, recent high. Okay, it's very close to the recent high, so I think the best option is just to wait for the market to break below this, above this recent high. We're testing this to give us the bull side. So this is what I think I'll be expecting. So talking about shorting, maybe it might actually get in the side giving side or going short of that. I think I won't be on the short side. I'm looking more on the bullish side. So I want to see a breakout above this, testing this, then I'm going to go long on that. That's it. Let's go to Flip. flip 1, which is going to be final one for today's analysis. Now on flip, this is already the H4. Yeah, this is the H4. So let's just mark our recent structures on H4. Definitely here is a recent high, recent low. Let's go to H1 to confirm that these zones we marked are actually validated with at least 2 or more touches. So you want to see this and here. So some might say zoom it down here to get affected with this, but then I think it's just better doing this way. So you want to see a breakout then above this. We're testing this again, therefore to go long on that. So this is what you'll be looking at. Or if that does not happen, if it happens that the market happens to go below this, testing this, then be thinking of the next low, which is around here. Let me mark it so I can know where your stop loss is going to be. So here's the next low. So on the short side, on the long side. That's it. That's going to be the end of the analysis on synthetic market. We've just checked out the break, the flip, and of course, we checked out our gain and pain. Please and please remember, don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Check out your stop loss before you officially enter into this trade. At the end of this, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please stay safe.